one of the most amazing things that comes in your starter kit is a diffuser. And if you've never used a diffuser before, it's so exciting because a lot of people use candles, but candles don't do anything for your home other than make them smell. So a diffuser makes your home smell amazing, but it's also helping to detox the air, can get rid of funky smells, but it can also change the mood. Like if people are just kind of, or, you know, somebody's super stressed out, or if somebody's sick, you can put some thieves in there and really help to support immunity that way. So diffusers are really powerful and they're very easy to use. So I'm going to show you how to use one. And most people get the Desert Mist. And let me just show you what it looks like when you take it out of the box. It looks like this. And the way you use it is you're just going to take the top off. It's kind of a two-part thing, and then the middle off, okay? And then you're going to fill it to the fill line. There's a little, there's just a little line right here, let me see, you can see that. There's just a little kind of a groove, and you're just going to fill that with water, okay? And then I would suggest starting with 2 to 3 drops just to get used to it, and I really like Stress Away. So I'm just going to put a couple drops of Stress Away. I like Citrus Fresh, and Thieves is really great. So those are just some kind of easy, Raven's really nice. So just some easy diffuser oils to start with. You can diffuse anything, but those are really common ones. And then once you have your oils in there, you're going to put this top on, and then you're just going to put that upper part on, and then you've got your buttons. And there's 2 buttons. There's one, the on button, so I'm just going to turn that on and you can see. Then the other button allows you to switch the colors. So there's candle flicker setting that you can see right here. You can kind of see it flickering. Yeah, my favorite. But then you can also change colors. So that's really fun, like on Halloween, or the kids really like to change the colors. So this is just a beautiful diffuser. It runs for 10 hours. It is made to last, and alone they can be really spendy, but getting in the kit is the best value. So that is how you use a diffuser. I hope you get it out right away and start diffusing and see how it makes you feel and changes everything in your home.